get ready with me to go to school. Friday. Done. Time skip. I am done. And I forgot my socks. Oh, I thought the collar looked weird. Anyways, I got my socks on. And now I'm ready to comb my hair. Big bag Skyler, big bag Skyler. My mom taught me this. For some reason. It looks like I'm turning back.
Lady girl.
Yeah, kind of
Right there.
Come here, show them what you're wearing.
I watch that.
She's wearing a uniform and
That.
a pants,
I brush my
skirt
hair.
type of thing. Like up in the fashion, 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 fashion. It just reminds me of that song. Skylar, are you done combing
Nope.
your hair? Huh? Okay. Got some McDonald's chicken nuggets. Don't believe me? McDonald's chicken nugget. Put it in there. Yes, my sister ate the scraps of it. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Do not look at the bubbles. Look at the chicken nuggets. Do you see the smoke? It's the smoke of chicken nuggets. See? I tried it and it was really good. See? Okay, we're done. Bye.